While COVID-19 vaccine may be just days away from distribution in the U.S., children won't be getting it anytime soon. Fox 43's Samantha Galvez tells us why.
According to a number of medical experts, the reason children aren't being cleared to receive the COVID-19 vaccine once the first round has been made available is because trials haven't been completed. Simply put, there's not enough data.
We expect it to be safe and effective, but we're going to have to prove that. We do not plan at this time to immunize children through the schools. We'd be working more through the healthcare system, including when the time comes where children are indicated to receive the vaccines.
Generally speaking, vaccines meant for children are tested in adults first, and there are good reasons why.
It's just a lot harder to generally convince someone to take something when they're feeling well, as opposed to giving something to someone who's sick and may not have any other options.
For a child, you have to worry about their development. And there is always that risk, of course, that you study a vaccine in a child who's 10 years old. Do you know what's going to happen when they're 18 years old?
Experts say COVID-19 hasn't affected children nearly as much as it has in the older populations. Pfizer and Moderna are just now beginning to conduct COVID-19 vaccine trials in kids ages 12 to 18. AstraZeneca has also tested its vaccine in children, but not in the United States. As of now, the plan is for children to be vaccinated eventually.
And we're anticipating that it might start to become available for children in mid-2021, but certainly there's a lot of hurdles to happen until then.
Which leads to the question, will it be safe to send kids back to school if they aren't vaccinated, regardless if adults are?
I think it's too early to know. We'll have to listen to our public health experts to know. It depends on the uptake of the vaccine.
Assuming that these vaccines are effective in the adult population, it should hopefully drive down kind of community spread to a point where it's not as kind of rampant or widespread.
Samantha Galvez, Fox 43 News.